Okay, well, I got this thing running. It's a early 50s Disston DA211. It was a basket case when I got it. Actually, I got the power head at one time and didn't have a magneto. And I came up with the bar and the chain. And got it running. You don't know where it leaks until it's running, so. Anyway, we got it running and there's more work to do on it. So, anyway, it's a hot rod saw, I hope. 9 horsepower. The recoil's not real good on it. I'm not going to even mess with the recoil. I start it with the drill. Okay, let's see if it'll run. Or see if it'll start up again. That's the best it's going to run. Looks like I got to do some more work on the carburetor and the reeds. It's supposed to idle down. It's supposed to idle down so the chain ain't turning. I don't know if I'll ever be able to get it that low. Okay, thanks for looking at my video.